First, I'm going to be testing this microphone at a normal distance, which for me is about 40 centimeters away from the microphone, then 1 meter away from the microphone, and 2 meters away from the microphone. And at the end, I'm going to be doing a keyboard and mouse sound test so we can see how the microphone picks up those sounds. But first, I'm going to be testing my headset microphone so we have something to compare with. As you can see, my headset microphone is already connected. So let's start the test. Welcome to the unboxing and testing of the Trust Mico USB microphone GXT 212. Welcome to the unboxing and testing of the Trust Mico USB microphone GXT 212. And now we're going to be switching to the GXT 212 microphone, and let's see how it goes. I'm at 40 centimeters away from it. Welcome to the unboxing and testing of the Trust Mico USB microphone GXT 212. Welcome to the unboxing and testing of the Trust Mico USB microphone GXT 212. And now I'm going to be moving away at 1 meter away from the microphone. Welcome to the unboxing and testing of the Trust Mico USB microphone GXT 212. Welcome to the unboxing and testing of the Trust Mico USB microphone GXT 212. And now at 2 meters away from the microphone. Welcome to the unboxing and testing of the Trust Mico USB microphone GXT 212. Welcome to the unboxing and testing of the Trust Mico USB microphone GXT 212. And now we're going to be moving on to the keyboard test. We're basically going to be spamming the keyboard a little bit. And now to the mouse test. We're going to be clicking on the mouse a few times.
So quick pros and cons. Let's start with the cons. The microphone is very sensitive. It picks up most of the sounds around you since it's not a cardioid microphone and it's an omnidirectional microphone. And that's pretty much it for me when it comes to cons. As for the pros, the quality is very good in my opinion and leads me to the next point, which is the price. I got this for 17 bucks, so you have to know that you will get what you paid for. And I think with a few filters on, it will get a whole lot better. So if you are looking for a cheap microphone to chat with your friends on Discord or in-game voice chats, it will do its job and I recommend it. I will be using it for my YouTube videos and see how that goes. And at a later time, maybe I'll use it for Twitch and see how that goes as well. Feel free to let me know your opinions in the comment section below and maybe if I should do a test with filters on for it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button as that will help me.